Welcome to the lesson on acrylic skins. This is a really cool pouring process. I do enjoy it. I love the entire pouring process from start to finish. We use acrylic skins for all sorts of things. My favourite is to use them to embellish my other pours, but you can use acrylic skins to make jewellery, bookmarkers, coasters, so many things. And we'll be showing you some of those in later lessons. Acrylic paint can be poured onto any non-absorbent surface that allows the paint to be peeled off after it's dried. The paint that is peeled off after it's dried is then referred to as a skin. You can apply any pour and using any paint onto the surface in the same way as you would using a canvas. The only difference we recommend is that you avoid using household paint, emulsion paint, as the base coat. Better, if you can, to use a low-cost craft acrylic paint as the base coat. And then you have acrylic paint top to bottom. Okay, the pours. We have 3 of them for you. Okay? All poured onto silicone baking mats. Most of our pours are usually for a planned embellishment, but we also pour leftover paint into skins. Then we think of something to do with them later after they've dried. It's a great way to use up surplus paint if you mix too much. I often do. The first pour. The pour is a double swipe. We swipe the paint 2 times. We want to use this skin for an embellishment, and we want to use it as the skin of a creature. Okay, so we don't want too many cells and we don't want big cells and earthy colours. Okay, the second pour. This is a balloon kiss pour. We are creating acrylic skins here to use in resin coasters. We only use low craft paints for this pour. And we'll be showing you how to create those coasters yourself in a later lesson. Okay, this is the third pour. This pour is simply using up leftover paint from a few other pours earlier in the day. I'm not sure yet what we'll use it for, but it's a lot better than wasting the paint, don't you think? And when I watch the video of the pour, I think I'm going to call this pour the vegan pizza pour. What do you think? Okay guys, all 3 are looking good. Now we need to let them dry very level and very slowly. And then, as we do with all our pours, even the pours onto canvas, except where we've used Posca pens to embellish them. We then need to remove any surplus silicone or other residual surface additives that we may have used in the pour. It's very simple. A light wash with soapy water, then leave them to dry. And oh, I love this part. Simply peel off the skins from the baking mat and they're ready to go. So, the summary. Acrylic skins. Really good, really cool, good fun. Any colours you like, any pour you like. Do avoid using household emulsion paint for the base coat. Cheap acrylic paint will work much better. So now, over to you. Create some skins. Try it, do it. Then do it again. See you next lesson.